Hi everybody, this is Linda and welcome back to Handsthatcook. And today I'm going to show you how to make perfectly cooked shrimp for shrimp cocktail or for whatever use you have for it. Now, here's my shrimp. And these are medium. They're peeled, deveined, and the tail's left on. They're raw. You have to have a rolling boil in your water. Now my water only has salt in it, but you can put lemon in here, you know, sliced lemon. You can put Old Bay. You can put any kind of spices you want in here to flavor your shrimp. But all I want is the lemon, salt. I'm trying to get this package open. And you're going to take your shrimp, when you get your bag open, that is, you're going to take your shrimp and open it. Goodness great, and I cut this already. I'm going to have to cut it again, I'm sorry. You take your bag of shrimp. And you're going to put it in this boiling water. And you wait till it's rolling, a rolling boil. Put your shrimp in here. This is 12 ounces. Now it's not boiling again yet, but it will in just a minute. And in the meantime, you're going to have a bowl of ice cold water ready. Right by it. Now this next part is crucial. I'd cut you off, but we're going to wait till this starts boiling again. You see, it's already starting to turn pink. But it's not done yet. And this shrimp was cold, which is probably why it's taking so long to come to another boil. Alright, it's starting to boil now. You can see from the bottom. It's starting to boil. I don't want to cut you off because I'll have to cut you right back on in, 30 seconds or so. One of the tails fell off. Probably more than one, really. So, anyway, all I've got in here is salt. But like I said, you can slice lemons, quarter them, a half a lemon, squeeze a little bit of juice in there. You can put some Worcestershire sauce in here. You can put Old Bay. You can season this shrimp any way you want to. And I just like mine plain because I just like to taste a plain shrimp for when I dip it into my sauce. And I have a video on how to make the perfect sauce. And somebody told me if you'd leave the horseradish out before you add it to anything that it would be hotter. So I did. I left it out. And it is hotter. So, but, I don't know. Alright, it's starting to boil. And it's already starting to cook. Now when it comes to a good boil, like right about now, we're going to count 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You start pulling your shrimp out, it's done. And when you pull it out, it goes directly into this ice water. Alright, now I plunged this shrimp down into that cold ice water and I let it stay a minute or two, long enough to chill it so it won't continue to cook. Now it's cold, it's ready to eat, but I don't want it wet, so it's going on this paper towel. I'm going to dry it off. And we're ready to eat. Here's my cocktail sauce. If you need to know how to use it, how to make it, I've got a video to show you how to do that. And I'm going to taste one of these. I don't mind the tails being on, and I like the fact that it was already peeled and deveined. And it's perfect. It's moist. And has a really good taste to it. I'm not putting that one in there. So that's how you make perfectly cooked shrimp. If you have any questions, you can leave me a message. I thank all of you for coming in today and spending a little part of your day with me. Please like and subscribe, and when you hit subscribe, there'll be a little button that comes up to the right of it. Click that button and you'll be notified every time I put up a new video. So until next time, you all take care, and God bless every one of you. Let me give you a nice little close-up.